What are risk and protective factors and why are they important? Two critical terms that you'll hear throughout this series on assessing community needs are risk factors and protective factors. In this video, we'll define these terms and discuss their importance to effective prevention. Risk factors are individual, peer, family, school, and community traits that can lead to negative outcomes like substance abuse, violence, teen pregnancy, depression and anxiety, or school dropout. These are traits that we are looking to decrease in order to prevent a negative outcome. An example would be youth low perceived risk of substance use, which can lead a young person to experiment with substance use because they do not perceive this behavior as dangerous or risky. If youth accurately understand the risk to their health and well-being, they would be less likely to initiate substance use. These charts outline common risk factors in the column on the left and the problems they can lead to in the top row. As indicated by the checks, we can see that each risk factor can lead to multiple problems. Consequently, addressing one risk factor has the potential to prevent multiple problems. Protective factors are individual, peer, family, school, and community traits that lead to positive outcomes and can help buffer against risk factors. These are traits that we are looking to increase in order to promote health and well-being. An example would be school opportunities for pro-social involvement. When youth are able to access a wide array of positive activities, such as sports, clubs, service projects, and the arts, they are less likely to participate in antisocial activities. This chart illustrates common protective factors in the column on the left and the corresponding strengths and positive outcomes they are associated with in the top row. Understanding the risk and protective factors in a community is important because this understanding can lead to more efficient and effective prevention programming. Through surveys like the Pennsylvania Youth Survey, we can assess risk and protective factors for a given community of youth. By understanding which risk factors are high and which protective factors are low, it is possible to develop a targeted prevention plan that will be more likely to succeed. The strongest prevention strategies use a combination of school, peer, individual, family, and community-focused approaches. Strategies that only focus on one of these domains may fail to address an important area of risk or protection for adolescent youth who vary in their ability to respond to any single prevention program due to the rapid developmental changes they experience. To recap, risk factors are the traits that can lead to negative outcomes, and protective factors are traits that can lead to positive outcomes.